In this video, we're going to take a look at how you would go about changing the location on a checking account. So if I go to cash management, click into my checking accounts and edit on an existing, you'll see that the location ID is grayed out, cannot be changed. So there's a couple of different scenarios for how you would go about this. So let's say you have unpaid transactions related to this account. What you would do is simply delete all of those transactions, and once there are no transactions tied to the bank account, you'll be able to update the location. The next scenario is if you do have transactions that have been paid associated with this account, you would need to reverse all those transactions, void out the payments that are tied to the bank account, and then come in, inactivate the account, and recreate the bank account with the correct location. And once that new bank account is created, you could recreate all those transactions and payment and link them to the correct account with the correct location. And the last scenario is you have several transactions in the system and delete, reverse, void is totally out of the question because it's going to take too long. So what you would do in that scenario is inactivate the account that you currently have, recreate the bank account with the proper location. But you need to remember that it is one GL account per bank account. So you're going to need a new GL account if that is the scenario that you're in. So it really boils down to where you're at in your process. If you're fairly early on in the system, then it could just be a matter of simply deleting out some unpaid transactions and switching it over. Or if you have a lot of transactions linked to a bank account, it's going to be essentially setting up a new account. So it really depends on where you're at in the system, but those are the options for editing the location on a bank account.